So hello friends, this is Swagatika Tripathi Mahapatra and this video is for journaling, what is journaling and the tips for the beginners of journal. So the points are, what is journaling? So journaling is the thought what you have to write on the diary, on the notebook or in a daily planner, and you have to write your daily thoughts, that may be manifestation, affirmations and so many realistic views, your gratitude, whatever you are grateful for, and your relatively goodness to anything is journaling. And the documentation about the binding in a notebook or diary is called journaling, and this journaling is for everyone, each and everyone. That may be many kinds. The kinds of journals are daily journal, which you can write in freehand, in free letters and with your free thoughts, whatever you have, whatever you want, whatever your in thoughts and whatever you manifest, what is your confession and what is your realistic view, your heart feelings, your gratitude, what is grateful, you are grateful for anything, and maybe your relaxation of mind, for time management, for time pass, you have to journal. So this is the kind of journals are daily journal, the free hand journal, then daily planner. You have to schedule out your daily views, your daily time to time work loads, work pressures and work in a realistic view, in a good and scheduled part, in which you have to schedule your each and every works one by one and time to time, which day by day, and you have to write in a planner line that is called daily planner. And third thing is your food journal. If you are interested to prepare the foods for the cooking, then you can use food journal. The food journal is for the cooking experts, the artist, cooking artist, and every household ladies, housewives who are interested in cooking, for those, and who are interested to know ever anything about cooking, is for them. This is cooking journal or food journal. Then you have any confession journal. Confession means your heart feelings which you have, you cannot say to any friends, to your parents or your cousins, sisters, brothers. You can have a journal to share this. For sharing this, your feelings and your thoughts and the confession about anything, your life's confession about anything, this confession journal. Then the next journal is maybe your how can I forget this, manifest journal, which is binding of all affirmations, all positivity, all law of attraction in present tense. You can write in present tense or future tense, but manifest all your future good and nice thoughts. What you want, what is in your wish, what is in your wish list. This is called manifestation, and this is one of the law of attraction of nature. What you have thought in your subconscious mind, this is in your journal, and this is called as manifest journal. And then um, you have gratitude journal. The gratitude journal is containing your gratefulness for anything. I am grateful for this life. I am grateful for achieving these achievements. I am grateful for as I am a singer. I am grateful for my parents that they are giving me this life, and I am grateful for God to giving me this anything I have. And I am grateful for my job. I am grateful for my baby. I am grateful for my husband for loving me this like this. And you have grateful for everything, anything you have. And this is the gratitude journal, and you have to gratitude every day, I think so. But if you have no time, then you can gratitude at least 2 to 3 times in a week. Then you can have that gratitude journal, and in the morning you have to gratitude every day. And this morning gratitudeness is giving you a nice recovery of life, and your depression, your anxiety, or disorders, any bad situations you have, any this is genuinely, I feel so that gratitude is everything, and everyone should gratitude. And you can have the challenge for gratitude to for life, that I am grateful for, and I want this, and it is in my wish list, and I am grateful for this. These are in my life. These are I have this, and this is the nice thing to gratitude. If you are gratitude for anything to anyone, then you have the reward in the reward. Then actually the gratitude is for giving the thank you, the gratefulness for anything and anyone. And if you are grateful for anything and anyone, then the reward comes to you. That I think so. Then you have the spiritual journal. The spiritual journal is the prayer journal, you can say prayer journal. And the prayer journal is to pray God about anything you have or you want, or you in your wish list. And this is the spiritual and prayer journal, which you have to wish and write on the top of the paper or the notebook about your wish list, and about your manifestation, or about your anything in you want that, and just round that. And then you have to write about the mantras or the slokas you believe on that, and that will manifest anything you have. That is the law of attraction of the nature, that we are considering any god, or believing on any god. We have to write the mantras in the lower side, and the upper side we have to manifest anything with having the round on that. Okay, and these are the journals. We have the kind of journals, and many journals. Then we have the junk journal also, having many of papers, and we have to do that junk journal. So many kinds of journals are there, and this is different for different kinds of persons to person, and this differ from person to person views. Okay, the personal views of anyone and everyone is different, and different views will carry different personalities, and the person, according to the personalities, we have to consider the journal. Then the time management is on you, or depend on you. The time management, you can manage time any every day for a half an hour for yourself. If you are giving yourself 1 hour or half an hour in a day, then you can self achievement and self motivate anything, and you can write your journal, and you can carry your journal, and have a journal which is portable to you, which is handled very easily, and you carry to any way and everywhere easily, which is portable. And I am carrying my journal every day, and wherever I will go, I have my journal and journal suppliers. Okay, so journaling is this, and the kind of journal, and this is the type of journal, and time management is on you. I think so. The beginners should journaling with their nice thoughts, not depend on the bullet journal. I don't consider the bullet journal, because in our day-to-day life many things are happening, and many things are on our mind, and to stress out our mind, we use journal. I am using, for stress out my mind, I am using journaling. So for stress out, we are writing our thoughts on the paper, on the notebook, on the diary. So if considering the bullet journal, that is the pro forma and scheduled journal, in which we can't write our proper thoughts properly. And the true facts of bullet journal is binding our thoughts in a small space, which I can't control my thoughts in a small space. I want to write in a free hand, in a free thoughts of mine. Whatever I want to write, I am writing on my journal easily, and very consciously, because I want to share my everything to journal, to relax my mind, to grow myself, to motivate myself, to manifest my future, to achieving the law of attraction of the nature, and considering myself as very natural and very sweet. Okay, this is the journaling, the tips for beginners. And you have to write, as per myself, you have to write in the morning, when you wake up in the morning. After that, you have to write something special, something planned journal. You have that feelings that today I will do this, today I will do that. So you have to write on morning, and then have to write on the night when you are used to sleep. And before that, you should write your day-to-day life to-do list for next day, and the total days covering thoughts, and the dramas, the traumas, and everything you have, everything you want, everything you wish, and the gratitude, the gratefulness. Okay, this is the tips for the beginners of the journal, and this is Swagatika Tripathi. Please follow me, and please subscribe my channel, my YouTube channel. I am the slow YouTuber. So if you are keeping subscribing me and sharing my videos, giving likes or comments, then I will just touch my pic what is in my dream. Thank you.